So many of you watched as we kind of put in these potato plants. Fortunately, this year has not been a great year for much of anything. The weather's been kind of wonky, and we've had more pests than I've ever seen. As you can see, our plants have pretty much been eaten down to the point they're like actually dying and withering away. So we're going to actually be harvesting these early. Hopefully it's not a complete loss. So as I had stated earlier, our crop kind of got decimated by bugs and pests, and so we're pulling up a little earlier than we'd like, but hoping to save what we have left of our harvest anyway. So.
Almost 3 full buckets of potatoes. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, we were pretty worried because, like I said, it's kind of been just not the best year weather-wise or pest wise as far as gardening goes, and we try to do things as natural and as organic as possible. So we don't opt to use chemical stuff, but that means sometimes we lose more than we should, or it doesn't quite grow like it should. And this year we got hit with really rainy weather, which actually seemed to do okay for the potatoes until the Japanese beetles came out, and then the potato bugs. And I know Mia and our other child, Axe, spent a lot of time picking bugs off of plants, but we just couldn't keep up with it. So it is what it is. I'm pretty happy with the harvest we did get.
Yep.
So we turned about 3 pounds of potatoes into about 80 pounds of potatoes. So
Yeah, that's a lot.
I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's, you know, it's pretty incredible, and we'll be able to eat those. And actually some of the smaller ones that we picked, we're going to save and seed out and use them to plant and grow potatoes next year.
It's a pretty good amount of potatoes though.
Yes, and we like potatoes.
We do.
So, and potato products like, you know, French fries and hash browns. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, or if you have a great neat trick on harvesting potatoes or growing potatoes, please comment below. We love hearing from you guys.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!